What's up, YouTube? It's your man D-Rock 779 back at you with another video. As you can see, you see the whip in the back. You see that thing in the back. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a illegal mod on my car. Something real simple, but it's illegal. And I'm gonna tell you what it is in just 1 second or whatever. But let's take a quick walk around. Well, actually, I'm gonna give you a walk around anyway, but you know what I'm saying? You see that thing. But yeah, now I already had this on my car before, but what happened was, I'm gonna get into the story about what happened, but let's just get right into it. Okay, YouTube. Alright guys, so what happened is, the illegal mod, something real small, simple. Actually, it's in the trunk. I gotta go to the trunk and get it. But let's get it started the car. See how it sounds. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that because the neighbors, like, I'm in a suburban area right now, so I'm not even gonna do none of that. The thing is, with this mod, it's illegal where I'm from. I don't know, it might be illegal where you guys are from too, but it's illegal. A cop told me, but I'm gonna put it on anyway because I like how it looks. This is the second one that I'm buying. The first one, it was a little too dark, so I decided to take that off to get a clearer one. And let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. just like that, no problem. Clear as day, no problem. So now I gotta buy another one. I wasn't sure how this one was gonna come out, so I only bought one. So now I gotta buy another one for the front, and that's it. Give you another look at the car. Don't worry, I still got a review of everything I put on the car, even though you see it already, how I did it, yada yada yada. So yo, this been your boy D-Rock 779. Click subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Okay, so what I'm talking about is, you see the whip. Alright, so what I'm talking about is right here. Basically, it's the license plate cover. Now, on my car, I bought the darker ones. You see that thing? So I bought the darker ones. Oh, don't mind the messy trunk. I bought the darker ones, which are right here. But when you put these on, I don't mind how it looks in the back, because you can still see it. You can still see the license plate. But when you put it in the front, it completely like darkens out the license plate, and you can't see it at all. So that's the problem. So I went and I bought me a clear one. So this way, it's no problem at all. But according to the cop that told me the other day that this was illegal, he told me I can't even have the clear one. As you see how clear it is. He told me I can't even have the clear one. But I'm gonna skip all that because this is so clear, it can't be a problem. It can't be, or whatever. But I'm gonna slap that on real quick, and I guess you guys could watch.